This is the 9th question of TMUA 2023 exam, paper 1. Question says, how many solutions are there to 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta whole square equal to 4, such that theta lies between 0 degree and 180 degree. So I've been given equation 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta whole square is equal to 4. So from here I can get 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta is equal to 2, or 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta is equal to minus 2. Okay. So if sum square is 4, so either that thing is 2 or minus 2. So we'll take the first scenario here. We have to find the number of solutions. How many solutions? We don't have to find the exact values. And theta lies between 0 degree and 180 degree, including 0 degree and 180 degree. Okay. So first part we'll take 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta equal to 2. 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta is equal to 2. So from here we get 3 cos 3 theta is equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1, or cos 3 theta is 1 by 3. So I get cos 3 theta is 1 by 3. Now if theta lies between 0 degree and 180 degree, then 3 theta lies between 0 degree and 540 degree. Okay. So we have to find cos of 3 theta equal to 1 by 3, such that 3 theta lies between 0 degree and 540 degree. Or I can now say, let's say 3 theta is equal to k. So cos of k is equal to 1 by 3, such that k lies between 0 degree and 540 degree. So how many values of k will satisfy such that it lies between 0 degree and 540 degree, such that cos k is 1 by 3. So now if I look at the quadrants, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So cos will be 1 by 3 in the first quadrant. That is possible. Okay, that value lies between 0 degree to 90 degree. So I get one of the value between 0 degree and 90 degree. In second quadrant, cos becomes negative. That is incorrect here because we want cos to be positive, 1 by 3. Third quadrant, cos is negative. Again, no solution here. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So I get a solution of cos theta of 1 by 3 in this quadrant, which is 270 degree to 360 degree. Okay, so 90 degree here, 180 degree here, 270 degree here, and 360 degree here. So between 270 and 360 we find. We still have to go from 360 to 540. So for 360 to 450 if I go, which is the next 90 degree. Again I am in the first quadrant. So first quadrant I will get 1 by 3 as an answer for positive value of cos. So I will get another value from 360 degree to 450 degree. And finally then we go from 450 degree to 540 degree. We don't get any cos value as 1 by 3 because cos becomes negative here in the second quadrant. Okay, so we get 3 solutions here. One between 0 and 90, second between 270 and 360, and finally 360 to 450, the third option. So I get 3 solutions here. So we get 3 solutions in this scenario, the first one. So how many solutions? 3 solutions here. So for the first equation, here we get 3 solutions. Now we look at the second equation of 1 plus cos 3 theta equal to minus 2. So if 1 plus cos 3 theta is equal to minus 2, that means cos 3 cos 3 theta. 1 plus 3 cos 3 theta. 3 cos 3 theta is equal to minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. Or cos 3 theta is equal to minus 1. So cos 3 theta is minus 1. We know that 3 theta has to lie between 0 degree and 540 degree. And cos is minus 1. So cos is minus 1. So cos at 0 degree is 1. 90 degree is 0. 180 degree it is minus 1. So I get 3 theta as 180 degree as one of the solutions. Then 270 degree it is 0. 360 degree it is 1. 450 degree it is 0, and 540 degree is also minus 1. So 3 theta equal to 540 degree is also a solution. Remember, theta lies between 0 degree and 180 degree. So 3 theta lies between 0 degree and 540 degree. So I get 2 solutions from this equation. So I get 2 possible solutions here. And there is no overlap between these 3 solutions and 2 solutions, because these 2 solutions the second one, these two solutions are exactly at 180 degree and 540 degree. But these three solutions are in between, like 0 degree, 90 degree, then 270 degree, 360 degree, 360 to 450 degree, in between those. Okay, not at these end values. So I get 3 solutions from the first, 2 solutions from the second. So in all 5 solutions we get. So how many solutions are there? 5 solutions. Answer option E is correct.